Okay, so I want to show you what your workflow using Data AI could look like for all your hotspot operations. So we have a conversation here in Codex, and I want to build a renewal system with two simple workflows, a pipeline, and properties. Using Data AI, my ChatGPT Codex can go off and it can say, hey, you already have a renewals pipeline that we can use. You already have these properties you can use. Um, but let's create these two workflows, right? One for creating the renewal deal and another for sending a notification to myself. I say, that looks great. Let's create a right plan and validate it. And I can come into this app because the AI and Data AI has no access to HubSpot directly. It can only set up these plans, which you then review and you go, yeah, okay, that looks good. Execute, done. That is all the work. What I did notice after I executed it was it has this really weird 275-day delay in the workflow. And I don't really want that. I want it to create a property and then use that property as a trigger. So I come back to the conversation and I can say, hey, I think this delay looks a little unsophisticated. How can we improve that? It comes up with a couple of suggestions. The best one was a calculated property, but we can't really create that through the API. So I say, can we do that? And it says no. I say, can we do it with a workflow? And it says yes. So I say, cool, let's write up another plan to update the previous workflow we've created so it uses the property and also create a new workflow that creates that property. And obviously, I come back here, I view it, I review it, I execute it, and it's done. And you end up with workflows that are looking like this. So this is the one that uses custom code to create a contract end date and also a renewal trigger date. It updated this original one to use renewal trigger date to create that renewal. And then there's also a very simple one that delays for 7 days and then just sends an in-app notification to me. And the total time of this workflow, about 10 minutes to get all that work done, especially with the back and forth. I think that's quite good.